Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and in this video I've got a chicken hot pot. Stamford Street Food Company. This comes from Sainsbury's, it was 90p. Now, if you didn't know, and you saw this in Sainsbury's, would you immediately think that was part of their value range? Would you? Because I'm not sure if I would. Other supermarkets, their value range really stands out, especially Asda, doesn't it, with the bright yellow packaging. But that, well, if you saw the price, then yes, you'd assume it was value range, 90p. Good price. Anyway, that's kind of irrelevant, but yeah, chicken hot pot. So what we got? Chicken breast pieces in a vegetable sauce with sauté potatoes. The creamy sauce makes up 61% of this meal, and I will show you if I can do this without it all falling off. I think I can. There you go. Right, yeah, 61% that sauce. And in the sauce you've got water, onion, half cream 7%. Interesting choice of vegetable in the sauce is carrot and swede. You hardly ever see swede in a ready meal, do you? Anyway, what else we got interesting? Parsley, sage, chicken fat, chicken extract, sauté potatoes, and cooked chicken breast is 10%. So a very, very low percentage of chicken in this, but doesn't really matter if it tastes good. Right, so first of all, is that carrot or swede? That's swede, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. Let's try it. Let's try a little orange fella, shall we? Tastes very carroty to me. And that, if I'm not mistaken, is a piece of swede. Either that or it's a piece of potato. I don't know. Swede. They both taste like what they should, to be honest. Quite soft. Nice consistency. Decent taste. Right. Potato. Couple of potatoes. Here we go. Couple of potatoes there. Let's see what they're like. They're actually a really nice consistency as well. They're spot on, not too hard, not too soft. Yeah, what I'm getting of the sauce so far is just very creamy. Right, I have a spoon. Let's try and get just some of the sauce. I think I've got a bit of carrot and a bit of swede in that spoonful, but let's have a go. There's an unexpected sort of sweetness to that, which I'm not quite sure about. Not sure about that at all. Right, there's a huge bit of chicken here. That's probably the 10%. That's probably it. Let's poke around in it. See if I can find any more. Oh no, there's another bit. Don't know why I'm using my spoon. I should be using the fork really, but yeah, let's put that down. Put that on there. Right. What else we got? And there's another bit. There's another bit of chicken. Right. Oh, blimey, I can't cut that with a fork. That feels really hard. Right, there's the little bit of chicken. Don't look too bad, to be fair. See what it tastes like. Quite dry, quite not hard but firm. Not loving this so far, I must admit. Right. Yeah. That's definitely a sweetness to that sauce, which is unusual and doesn't make me want to try it again, to be honest. Right. Let's try this forkful, then I am going to eat the rest. It's not horrible, but it's not great. Right, bit of chicken, bit of carrot and potato covered in sauce. I wouldn't have that again. That's a shame. As I said, it's not horrible, it's not disgusting, but it's got a strange, unusual sort of sweetness to that sauce, which doesn't really go with it. The chicken's a little bit on the firm side, the potatoes are alright, the vegetables are alright. Yeah, can't say I recommend it, wouldn't have it again, but I'll finish it, because that's my lunch. Right, yeah, so Stamford Street Food Company chicken hot pot, 90p. Nah. I've also got the minced beef hot pot in my freezer, so I'm hoping that will be better. I'm really hoping it will be. Okay, I'm going to go and eat the rest of that anyway. I've got a slice of bread and butter on my tray in the other room, so I can mop up all that sauce with the bread and butter. Although, having tasted it, I'm not sure if I want to. But I will, because it'll fill me up, won't it? Right, have you tried this? Does my review make you want to try it? That's more to the point. Yeah, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.